I'd like to welcome everybody to this grand occasion. Today we're here for our kickoff of the LED street light conversion project, which is very dear to myself and my members on council. I'm joined today by Councilman Charlie Cuthbert and by Councilman Darren Hill. We also have here today from our city administration. We have Mr. Lionel Liners, our Deputy City Manager, Mr. Annetta Tyus, our Deputy City Manager, along with our Director of Public Works, Ms. Tanja Enos, and the rest of her staff from Public Works, Economic Development, Wayne Crocker from the library. We have our Fire Deputy Chief, Jim Reed. We have Captain Geis there, and from Petersburg Police. And we'd like to welcome all of our friends from Dominion Energy for this occasion. We are so excited today to be working with Dominion Energy through this process. This project, which began to take shape somewhere around 2016, will consist of converting existing city streetlights to LED. LED lighting produces light up to 90% more efficiently than your typical light bulbs. A total of 3,199 streetlights throughout the city will be converted through a 4-phase process. While the initial cost to the city is a little more than $500,000, this change will ultimately result in a total monthly savings of more than $10,000 and over $127,000 annually. The project is anticipated to be complete in spring of 2022. In addition to the cost savings, there are many other benefits to converting to LED bulbs, including a reduction in energy use, increased safety, a longer lifespan for the streetlights, and additional fiscal savings through a decrease in demand for maintenance and replacement. So now I'd like to invite my fellow council members to offer remarks, and then we will hear from Jerry Northridge, who is the outdoor lighting manager with Dominion Energy. All right, Councilman Hill.
Good morning, everyone. It's a great day in the city of Petersburg. We thank you all for coming out. We thank the hard work that has been put forward in this effort to get LED lights put here, which is near and dear to my heart. We had some crime at one time. We figured out that crime tends to happen where there's darkness. So by us having these LED lights, it'll brighten up our neighborhoods, things of that nature. It'll brighten up our streets, and our citizens will be more safe when they're driving through the community. So we thank Dominion Power for all their efforts and all the work that they put in. We thank Public Works, Ms. Ennis for working, and Mr. Lyons, and all the great minds that have come together to make this a success. We look forward to the completion. I know we're only going to do but so many starting in phases, but I'm excited about to see what the future may bring for our new LED lighting. Thank you.
It's a pleasure to be with you all today and to celebrate such a positive step forward for Petersburg. Bright lights are going to make a difference, and I think will raise the beauty of our city and our own self-esteem, as well as the safety of the city. I want to add my thanks to Councilman Hill's and Mayor Parham's thanks to the Department of Public Works for their unflagging support for this project. Things don't happen overnight, and what we are here to celebrate today is the product of lots of planning, lots of thought, lots of hard work. And of course, I want to thank Dominion Energy for their initiative on all of this and working with the city to make it happen. We all look forward to a brighter Petersburg in more than one way.
Yes.
And this is a tangible way to see that brightness shine. As to the timetable, I am really impressed that we hope to have the 4,000 lights changed within approximately a year. That's quite a pace. We may not be able to keep it quite that fast, but I certainly hope so and encourage it to happen. In any event, it's a great day, a great step forward, and it's a pleasure being with each of you. Thank you.
At this time, I also would like to represent, also from Dominion Energy, to recognize Ms. Anita Powell, who is our new representative for the City of Petersburg, and thank her for her leadership and her commitment to the City of Petersburg. And at this time, I'd like to introduce Ms. Jerry Northridge, Outdoor Lighting Manager for Dominion Energy.
Thank you. All right, nice little breeze. Good morning. What a beautiful day
Yes.
in downtown Petersburg. So I'm Jerry Northridge, and I do manage outdoor lighting for Dominion Energy in North Carolina and Virginia service territories for our company. We're definitely thrilled to be a part of this kickoff initiative today here in the City of Petersburg to kick off the very first phase of your LED conversion. And I know it's been a long time coming, a lot of planning, a lot of strategy put into this effort. I would like to share a little bit about the differences between the old lighting technologies and some key benefits of converting to the new technology of LED. And the mayor already touched on some of these because I'll start with public safety. The traditional bulb technologies require that the lamp output's actually refracted and reflected toward the targeted area. And by the time the light reaches the targeted area, it's only a fraction of the light output of the actual bulb. Whereas LEDs are able to direct 100% of the light output to the targeted area. And this provides better clarity for vehicles and for pedestrians. We heard about energy savings. That's another key benefit. LEDs do use significantly less energy than other lighting technologies to provide the same amount of light output. Dominion's LED rates are lower in comparison to our other lighting technology rates. So this provides an opportunity for the City of Petersburg to experience and financially capitalize on this LED conversion project. Another key benefit is the improved reliability. Our LEDs require less maintenance, have a much longer lifespan than other lighting technologies, and LEDs experience very little reduction of light over their lifespan. And that's in contrast to traditional bulb technologies, which once they're installed, begin to degrade, and over the course of their lifespan, the light output is actually diminished over time, providing less light to the targeted area. Lastly, I'll mention future opportunities because this conversion is just the start for the city. LED fixture technology provides us with the platform for introducing smart lighting options in the future. That could be applications such as self-reporting of light outages, where we have real-time information about the performance of our streetlight assets for the city. It's a vertical asset. We are exploring smart city applications and are interested in learning more from our customers about what smart city applications may be of interest to you, because the streetlights can provide a platform for that. And certainly the LEDs are the start of that platform to allow that new technology, future technology to be implemented. Just a little bit about Dominion's LED conversion program, because I think we started talking to the city before we even had it. So it's a couple years in the making now. We did develop our LED program in partnership with our customers. We started off by learning about what our customers needed and what they wanted in terms of products and pricing. And what we learned that most local governments, at the top of the list is certainly they want to save money. But what we've heard a little bit about today is the overwhelming majority of our customers are really focused on public safety. And safety is first and foremost at Dominion, and that's no different for our customers. We do offer a flat rate conversion fee per light, which our focus was to make the program attractive for our customers and provide an affordable way to be able to convert to LED so that you could realize those savings sooner. And essentially, Dominion is subsidizing and covering a significant amount of the cost for the conversion. There are a lot of moving parts for our mass LED conversion projects, and I would say some of the big parts are our design phase, the material orders, the supply chain process, and then actually doing the work in the field. So a lot of folks involved, a lot of moving parts, as I said, and what we've done over the past year is we've started to streamline those processes. We have dedicated designers that are focused only on LED conversion work. We also have a dedicated team of field crews that perform this work in the field so that we can be most efficient and meet the timeline of our customers, and really have a well-oiled machine for this process. We provide support resources to localities for helping to plan your conversion strategy, and Susan Simon's here today with Dominion and has worked with the city on that conversion strategy. We assist with analyzing the financial benefits for converting and walking through those beginning stages of initiating those conversion projects. This first phase, I'll shift to the topic at hand today. The first phase that we're going to see a little bit of includes 164 lights, and that represents just about 5%. I think I heard the number 3199. I was thinking 3200, so we're right close there, and about 5% in this first phase. And we've learned that the yearly savings just for this small 5% first phase, the yearly savings for the city will be about $14,000 a year. So I think that gives you an idea of how this plays out for the city in terms of not just the public safety benefits, but also the financial benefits where you can reinvest that money into other important things for the city. Timeline for this phase, starting today, will continue in the coming weeks, and we do anticipate the first phase to be completed by the end of May. So with that, thanks again for having us here and allowing us to participate in this kickoff today.